everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today interview question is reverse each word in a given sentence using Java 8 features. Okay, so let's break this down and we can do step by step and let's see how we can implement. So the given question is I just created a class and created one variable. So Java is a programming language. So now the question is, so sentence should be the same, but each and every word should be the reverse. So for this one, how we can achieve? First, we need to break this sentence into a single words. Like we have a string, that is Java is a programming language. So now we need to convert this as a individual words from this sentence. So for this one, we need to split the entire sentence. So to how we can split the sentence, like we have internal methods which is split. So let's split sentence dot split. So we need to split this sentence using space. So we have space separated, right? So wherever we have space, so we will break the sentence with the space. So now the split method will return the array of strings. So let's add to this array of strings. For this one, arrays dot string. Okay, and let's import this class. Okay, now we have stream. So it will convert array of streams and it will convert individual words in the sentence. So now from these streams we need to reverse each and every word. So for this one we have map function. So where we can use a lambda expression and we can create each and every we can get the each and every stream and we can reverse those streams for that one, right? So let's do the iteration by using. So okay, for now, for the proper understanding, let me write like word. Okay, so every time I'm writing that element, that means, so let's take it as a word. So we can take anything, whatever we want. So this word we are converting to the new object. So for that one, so we can create one new object, that is string buffer or string builder. Okay, so in this situation we can use string builder because string builder is faster than string buffer. So because it's not synchronized and it's not thread safe, and this is the single thread application, so we don't have multiple threads to handle, so we can directly use string builder. String builder. Okay, string builder. Here we just pass word. So string builder have the internal method which it can reverse the word. So for that one we'll just use method called reverse. So it will automatically reverse that each and every particular word. Okay, then we will convert into a toString. Okay, now let's collect this all the words by using collect, and by using collectors we need to join. So here we need to join with the space, right? So if we didn't provide this space, so we are removing the space over here to split the sentence and to get the individual words. So again we need to convert this one by using space. We need to create a proper string, how we have the old sentence. Okay, now let's complete this one. Okay, let's create a variable and let's assign this thing. Okay, string words sentence. sentence equals, okay. So let's print this out to see the output. This is out. Reversed sentence. Sentence equals to less. Okay, let me run this application now. Okay, now you can see that output. So the reversed sentence is, so the Java is a programming language. So here you can see each and every word is reverse, but if the position is same of the word position is same, but the word is reversed. Okay, so that's how we can achieve this. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. I hope this will help you to understand this approach and solve this problem. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask and drop them in the comment section. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.